Last one, transformation of sentence 3. The food was so good that we had to leave a tip. Now what you have to do, such you have to use. You have to use such in this particular statement. Now while doing so, what would you write? The food was so good that we had to leave a tip. It was such good food. It was such good food that we had to leave a tip. So it is written so good, and instead of that we are writing such. So it was such good food. Okay, next. The computer was too expensive for me to buy. Enough. You have to use enough here. I did not have enough money to buy the computer. Or I did not have enough to buy the computer. Both are correct. When you write enough, that indicates money. Next, it is the most beautiful painting I have ever seen. What you have to do, you have to make it negative. It is written seen here, but actually you have to make it negative. I have never seen such a beautiful painting. Next, August has been much cooler than July. You have to use cool. You have to use cool. July was not as cool as August. You can also write July has not been as cool as August. Was is correct here. You may think it is has been, and why it is written was here, because it is kind of universal tool. If you write the past also, then also it will come correct. So August has been much cooler than July. You have to use cool. July was not as cool as August, or you can write July has not been as cool as August. I am not as good at math as you. I am not as good at maths as you. Better you have to use here. You are better at maths than me. The course was not as easy as I had expected. The course was not as easy as I expected. You have to use more. The course was more difficult than I had expected. The course was more difficult than I had expected. This car is not safe enough to drive. This car is not safe enough to drive. You have to write dangerous. This car is too dangerous to drive. This car is too dangerous to drive. Next, this exercise is easier than the last one. This exercise is easier than the last one. We have to use hard. This exercise is not as hard as the last one. You can also write this exercise is not so hard as the last one. The police tell a suspect his rights before they arrest him. You have to use told. The police tell a suspect his rights before they arrest him. The police tell a suspect. So you have to do what? A suspect is told. Voice change. A suspect is told his rights before the police arrest him. So direct active to passive voice here. Did you send the letter to Mr. Thomas? You have to use was. So here also we have got voice change. Was that letter sent to Mr. Thomas? 3 options are there. Do you know if that letter? Do you know if the letter was sent to Mr. Thomas? The letter was sent to Mr. Thomas or not? Now this is the best one. Was that letter sent to Mr. Thomas? We have not set a date for the wedding yet. You have to use been. The date for the wedding has not been set yet. So here also I have got active to passive voice. They will have given him the news by now. They will have given him the news by now. He will have been told the news by now. He will have been told the news by now. Expert estimate the most people. Expert estimate that most people now have access to the internet. You have to use is. It is estimated that most people now have access to the internet. You can write it is estimated by the experts that. So expert, you can omit here, the object you can omit here, that the most people now have access to the internet. The garage on the corner usually repairs my car. I usually have my car repaired. I usually have my car repaired by the garage on the corner. I usually have my car repaired by the garage on the corner. Steve definitely did not write that essay. That essay can't have been written by Steve. That essay can't have been written by Steve. A statement is made with confidence, so can't is used here. The police have cancelled the demonstration. You have to use has. The demonstration has been cancelled by the police. What do you think of the college? She asked me. She asked me what I thought of the college. What I thought of the college. I will call you later tonight. Keith promised. Keith promised that he would call later that night. Tonight, that night. Direct to indirect speech. I did not break the window, said the boy. The boy, said the boy. The boy denied breaking or having broken the window. You can also write, the boy denied that he had not broken the window. Why don't you come round this evening? Suggested. Why don't you come round this evening? You have to use suggested. She suggested that I should go round that evening. You can write come also, no problem. You look really tired, he told her, said. He said she looked really tired. He said she looked really tired. You can change it to a certain extent as it is written. You look really tired, he told her. He said, comma, inverted comma. Or he said to her, comma, inverted comma, she looked really tired. He said to her, comma, inverted comma, you look really tired. The answer provided here, it's not exactly correct. You must do your homework tonight, the teacher said. The teacher told us to do my or our homework that night. Imperative sentence. What's your name? He asked. You have to use no. He wanted to know what my name was. Is not correct. What my name was. I might be late for dinner, he told me. You have to use informed. He informed me that he might be late for dinner. He informed me that he might be late for dinner. I went to the office then remembered it was my day off. You have to use have here. I need not have gone to the office as it was my day off. I need not have gone to the office as it was my day off. Perhaps we missed the correct turning. You have to use might. Perhaps we missed the correct turning. You have to use might. We might have missed the correct turning. We might have missed the correct turning. I'm afraid you can smoke in here. Allowed. You are not allowed to smoke in here. They will expect you to wear a suit for the interview. You have to use have. They will expect you to wear a suit for the interview. You have to use have. You will have to wear a suit for the interview. I would see a doctor if I were you. Ought. You ought to see a doctor. The last one for today's class. He could not swim until he was in his 20s. He could not swim until he was in his 20s. He was not able to swim until he was in his 20s.